Is it legal for an insurance company to audit your business and then make you pay an additional fee even though you didn't miss any of your monthly payments for your business insurance and you didn't have a claim? Well, it is, because here's the thing that your insurance agent probably didn't tell you about. There's this process called premium audit. It's perfectly legal and normal, and it's actually a condition of even purchasing the commercial insurance policy. My name is Matt. I'm a fourth generation agency owner, and I explain auto, home, and business insurance so you don't get screwed. So here's where premium audit comes from. When you are giving your gross sales or payroll estimates for the coming year, the insurance company knows that it's an estimate. So they reserve the right to audit you to say, okay, after that year happens, you told us initially that you were estimating $1 million in sales. Now send us a profit and loss statement to prove what did you actually do. The reason insurance companies do this is because how much you did in gross sales is a pretty good measure of how much more risky of a business that you are, because the more interactions, the more things you sell, the more widgets that are going into people's homes or whatnot, the more there is a possibility of something going wrong. That's why it exists. What are the best ways to approach this premium audit thing? First is to understand some insurance companies, they audit both directions, meaning they'll actually return some money to you if you did less in gross sales or payroll than you estimated. And then some insurance companies, they will only charge you more, and if you did less in payroll or sales, then they say tough. You need to know what kind of insurance company you're dealing with, because that will tell you what your estimate should be. Should it be on the low side? Should it be as accurate as you can be? It depends, and there's not necessarily a right or wrong way to deal with it. It just depends on your business preferences. Some businesses, they are really flush with cash during one time of the year, so they want to make sure that audit lands in that time of the year. Some businesses, they might land a huge project, and so they don't want to be charged based off of if they win the project. They only want to be charged if they actually do. So this is why you really want to have a close connection with your insurance agent and discuss the pros and cons of both. Because with some of our clients, we review the rating factors of their policy so that way our client can even do their own math and say, okay, if we win this job and this $10 million project, it will increase our sales by this much, and then our premium audit will be this, so that way they can plan it perfectly from front to back and there are no surprises, because obviously everyone hates a surprise bill, but audit shouldn't be a surprise. It should be just part of routine planning. And that's one of the things that we do here at Cal Rose Insurance.